So in today's video, I want to talk about, are white collar workers obsolete? If you've seen this report from Anthropic, I'm sure a lot of people have, it says a lot of roles, management, technology, leadership roles, can already be done by AI as it exists today. And obviously this is quite concerning because this could lead to mass unemployment. However, you don't have to look very far to find examples where technology change has resulted in more jobs. So, moving from horses to cars didn't eliminate jobs, it created new ones. Or, my favourite example I came across yesterday was lift operator or elevator operators. Now, what's interesting about those is, as a job, is that when people started to be getting jobs as lift operators, the technology already existed to automate it. You didn't need to have those people. They weren't necessary. If you were to go to Covent Garden station, very, very busy tube station with a lift, there's no operator there. You have to figure it out yourself because people needed a bit of guidance maybe and reassurance on how to use the technology. Once we got to the point where people could do it 100% of the time, the technology was safe and trusted, weren't needed anymore. So maybe there's a job at the moment that I'm probably going to end up doing of AI operator, where my job is to help operate the AI in the business. I don't know. It's too early to say. But the point here is that if you're just sitting in your laurels and not learning about how this technology is changing, you're leaving opportunities for your business behind because you need to be moving through this stuff quite quickly. We don't have a lot of time. And if you're a lawyer, an accountant, you sit in an office shuffling numbers or doing non-work, AI is going to be able to do that much more quickly, much more effectively, and much more reliably, 24/7. So think really hard about learning about the technology, because if you're left behind, you may find yourself with no work and certainly not at the level of compensation you're used to getting. So this is not a negative thing. It's a rapid change in technology. You need to be prepared to adapt. And that's all I'm saying. I hope that makes sense. Let me know what you think in the comments. Have a great day.